Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold clothes. Today I want to show you some cool tricks on how to fold your nightwear, your pajamas. I have a really cool trick that I want to share here. If you have a night dress, I made a video on how to fold dresses that you can check out after this, but you will still benefit from some of the tricks that I am going to show you in this one, so feel free to follow along either way. So we're going to start out there by laying our little PJ top here down with the front facing up. So this will be the same if you sleep with large t-shirts or if you sleep with shorts, you can use this too. So we're going to start out here by folding the arms in. We are going to start by folding the bottom of the night shirt inside out here. So we need a little bit of room here because we're going to put a lot of stuff in here. So I would say at least 10 inches. You may even want to go up to 12 here. Make sure the underside is lined up nice and neatly as well. Once you got everything laying nicely here, we are going to put our pants here on top of the shirt. So if you have shorts, obviously you can just lay these on top as well. So I'm going to fold up the legs here, just so they don't take up as much space. Might as well fold it in half as well, actually. And from here, if you have underwear or anything, you can lay that on top here as well. It's totally fine. But we are going to start out by splitting the shirt here into 4 parts. Now you can split it in thirds as well, but it can be a little bit difficult with shorts or something laying on top. So we are going to split it into 4 parts. From side to side, fold it in 1/4 of the way on one side and 1/4 of the way on the other side as well. Like so. From here, I'm going to turn it around so that I have this little inside out section facing away from me. And with both my hands here, I am going to start rolling up the little roll that we've created here from the neck and roll it all the way down to the bottom. So as you can see, it's going to be pretty thick. Depending on what type of nightwear you use, you can roll it tighter as well. But if you have something with a lot of little details or some silk or something, you want to be gentle with it, right? So once you reach the bottom here, just lift it up with one of your hands. Make sure you grab onto the inside out section here. And from here, you're just going to flip that over the rest of the roll here. So this is going to entirely secure your little nightwear packet here. You can use this for other stuff too, but it's perfect for nightwear, right? I think anyway. Then you have, you're ready for the night. You can just grab one of these rolls out of your whatever system you're using. I like to use these boxes, as you probably know. So you can stack them either vertically or horizontally. It's up to you. They have trouble standing on their own, just rub them a little bit on the bottom and they should stand nicely on their own. Another alternative, if you don't want to roll it up like this, and maybe this is something you use every night and you need to have it easily accessible, I would recommend that you hang it actually. Since hanging it is great short term. So I usually recommend either of these hangers. I can link all this stuff and link that box too if you want to buy it on Amazon or something and support this channel. But let's use one of the hangers here. So very easily just fold the pants here over in half, right? And just give them a little bit of a button through the hanger. Make sure that they look nice and lined up. And then from here you can just put the shirt over it as well. And there you have your nightwear ready. Of course, you can do some file folding techniques on this, but I've gone through that so much in other videos. Next, I'm going to show you how to do this for robes as well. Pretty excited about that. You can check that out by clicking here if it's out already. Otherwise, I got some other cool videos. Please leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next folding or organizing tutorial.